Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through how to fix USPS. This service is currently unavailable when searching tracking number. Fix 1. Verify the tracking number. Ensure that the tracking number matches the expected format for the specific carrier. Different carriers may have varying formats for their tracking numbers, so verifying the correct structure is essential. Visit the official website of the shipping carrier and locate the tracking tool. Enter the tracking number into the designated field to verify its validity and access the package's tracking information. Fix 2. Utilize USPS mobile site. Search for USPS Mobile on your preferred search engine or web browser. Navigate to the USPS mobile website, which can be accessed through a mobile device or a desktop computer. On the USPS mobile site, locate the tracking feature or search bar. Enter the tracking number for your USPS package. The USPS mobile site should now display the current tracking status and details for your shipment. Fix 3. Wait for updates. USPS tracking updates may experience delays due to various reasons such as delayed scanning, extreme weather conditions, or missed scans by USPS workers. It is advisable to wait for at least 5 working days before contacting USPS regarding tracking issues. Often, the tracking information may get updated after a delay, and the package may still be in transit or pending delivery. Fix 4. Contact USPS customer service. If you need help with informed delivery service, you can email the Informed Delivery User Support Team. Another option is to reach out to USPS customer service for assistance. You can contact them at 1-800-275-8777 to inquire about the tracking status of your package. Note, you can also visit your local post office and speak with a representative in person for more direct assistance. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.